Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hagabay bat kajingwan tur jong kinong de Madan. Sa ka-office trikam jong kasulong municipal board dang ginigi kandiat sngi nakaliang ba po Lyngngoh ubulang ru menteri sarkar laong. Baladaban penlong ya gajingelang hapadeng usembut menteri rang ba kajela bapait ya katanat penroy sor ubas nya balang dahar. Hagabalas na aru ika komiti mencem snem usnem arjar arpulai. Kabakin tup langru ya ginong mi kemat jong kinong de Madan. Henry kalong pat ka Lyngngoh bakat kum ke Jingkam jongki bagi klem yo jingtip ni don kata ka jingya keren namar ye gani lada banyak keren ha ka jingelang la benrap uba pol. Shushu uba pol ulo ongru bana kaliang jong ukum menteri katanat ki kam jong kai prothai usukwa tang ban penbha ban peni tanat batru ban Pynduna ya ka Jingkhapngiah jongki benta ka than khandai lat daga penlong ya ka tangkum ka jaka ayat kijat jongki pajba amnya ki kali ni ki jaka ban song de Madan bat ka ban longru ka jaka bagi pajba kin yolat ban yeng ban sakhi ye ki tamasa la kalong hagarwai ka sio namarba kumbala tip ba kanong ba shalong kare ka wei ka bala pa ka prothai baro kum ga jela ka badan ye ki nong tem bat ki nong ruai ki bakan sai tam nakaliang ba apolo ban rap ro ka baong ban ka benta ki jingtip ki bakhambanya la banyo no sembut menteri rang ba ka jela ni no commissioner and secretary jong katrat penroy sor ka jela Vijay Kumar baru lo ongru balada jia begini ke bede Madan kimtre ban kenria sya ka jaka ka bala penbet ka benta ka badang sa an hab ban IT sya ka tanat penroy sor jong ka sarkar.
Meetings have been held at the instance of the Deputy CM in charge of urban affairs and a committee was also constituted last year, which also comprises of representatives from the vendors associations. Now it's surprising to say that they were not consulted because those meetings were all recorded and they took more than a year, in fact, to complete the entire exercise. So it is baseless to say that they were not consulted. However, I would suggest that you also speak to the Deputy CM in charge of urban affairs because the matter is entirely with urban affairs and the tourism department only wanted to give an uplift, a facelift rather to the Nailat stretch by making it pedestrian free, tourist friendly and have a busking zone in order for us to celebrate the fact that Shillong has seen the best possible days in terms of the music scene and for the rest of the world to see that. See, the process of identification was done by the Shillong Municipality Board. It was a very transparent process and the CEO and other officials like Bahrain were all involved in those negotiations and discussions. But as I said, you can get the details from Urban Affairs Department, from the Minister in charge, as well as the CEO of the SME spoke to. But at the official meetings, both the CEO and Bahrain were present in those meetings. The latest was 2 weeks back at the chamber of the Deputy CM in charge of urban affairs. I am not aware of any extension because the deadline was indicated to us at the meeting by the Commissioner and Secretary of Urban Affairs, Dr. Vijay. I think we have to let Deputy CM convene and we take stock of the situation after tomorrow. Probably sometime next week we should be in a position to sit for a review of how things have shaped up since the last meeting.